Pchealthcheck, Access, Update, and Install Guide for Windows users. To access Pchealthcheck on Windows, utilize the search feature in the taskbar and look for Pchealthcheck. Choose it from the displayed results. If an update for Pchealthcheck is accessible, easily install it to ensure you have the most recent version. If you haven't installed Pchealthcheck yet, you can do so by visiting https://aka.ms/getpchealthcheck and following the instructions to download and install the application. By regularly accessing, updating, and installing the Pchealthcheck tool on Windows, you're not just ensuring peak performance for your system, you're safeguarding your digital experience, proactively addressing potential issues, and maximizing the lifespan of your device. This commitment to maintenance grants you peace of mind and empowers you to make informed decisions about your computer's health, ultimately saving you time and potential headaches down the line.